I think the footballs over there packing up the
I don't know, dude. Tom Bella. Dude, this is unbelievable.
Oh, look it. Sample's back up.
I've never liked you.
Let's do it.
Josh, they're gonna stop any minute.
I'm telling you, they're never gonna stop, Luther. We're doomed. 6 tomorrow morning, they're still doing this.
Nope.
We are doomed. Hey, I bet you we won't have any.
Yeah, they're all fucking doing it. I'll eat this shit.
Dude, that echo is crazy. I keep thinking of the light more off over it.
This guy is